Hello, this is Dr. Leo at LeTime. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a post-shave spray and the lotion, two different things. After shave, you got a skin irritation, and the witch hazel has a big benefits to calm the skin and reduce irritation. And this spray can help you, right away remove the irritation from the shave, and the lotion made from the witch hazel hydrosol also give you benefits to keep your skin healthy, smooth, and protect the skin. The first step is to make witch hazel hydrosol. So I'm using the ADI today. Added a 2 liter of water. I'm doing steam distillation today using a dry witch hazel leaf. You can use a fresh or dry leaves. Dry leaves give you more concentrated hydrosol, and fresh leaves also give you a very good quality of hydrosol, but because the herb contains a lot of water, so dry leaf basically means adding more material than the fresh ones. I'm using ADI to do the distillation to make a witch hazel hydrosol today. ADI is automatic herbal distiller and infuser. It can make hydrosol essential oil and also can help you make infused oil. But I have another video. If you don't have a distiller, you can use the kitchenware, the pot, to make your hydrosol. Watch that video and see how to make a hydrosol. I got a pretty much 1 liter of the witch hazel hydrosol. First, bottle it. The hydrosol has very strong witch hazel smell. Save a little bit for the spray bottle. Now first I'm gonna make the post-shave spray. The spray is made with 2 different hydrosol. It's witch hazel hydrosol and the lavender hydrosol. It's 1-to-1 ratio. Just add into the spray bottle. Witch hazel has a good benefit, reduce the irritation, and lavender is perfect for anti-inflammation and recover the small cuts. These are good combination for the post-shave skin calming and reduce the bad effects come from the shaving. Now let's make a post-shave lotion. It's made from witch hazel hydrosol and aloe vera gel. I'm adding the aloe vera because it can also help reduce irritation and help keep our skin smoother. And this is a good additive when you are using for some sensitive skin, reduce the irritation. And the aloe vera gel can be made, just by yourself, can be homemade. If you want to know how to make it, watch my video. I explaining how to make the best aloe vera gel. And today I just use, I purchased the aloe vera gel. And this is made from aloe vera juice with glycerin. And glycerin is added as a preservative and also make it thicker. So today's lotion, normally I will add a little bit of glycerin because this one already have glycerin, so I don't need to add additional glycerin. I just add this, so it already have the aloe vera with glycerin. So you're gonna need to wait until everything melted and the temperature goes stable and equal between the water phase and the oil phase. Now slowly pour the oil into the water